For what we have seen are some basic permission rights to files, to folders. And what we will see next is some extra or advanced access control list maintained in Linux system. They are basically achieved by using two commands. One is this get file access control list to get information of all the permission information of the file. And by default, it gives you only this, the file name, and then the owner is user1, the group is user1, and then we have these three basic permission rights for these three different categories of users. And in Linux system, it enables users to add more users to the group. Like for the group users, we have seen that we can change the group user of a file. First, let's try whether we can change the group user of a file by a normal user, its creator. So if I want to change group, and let's say I change user2 with file1.txt. So although the user1 is a creator, you see, it's a creator of this file, this user cannot change the group of this file1. And this can be only done by the user, by the root user. So now if I use the same command, change group, and user2 file1.txt. Now it's done. And it means that if we print the permission rights again, file, change user2 to group file. Oh, or this here, this file is there are different files. So I need to change group, go to home user1's directory. user1 directory. Now I can run this command again. Now it's been changed. If we check this the output of this file1's access control list, we have changed the group to. By using changing group, this command, it can change the group user, but what if we want to add more users to one group to access some file? Then we need to use the command is set file access control list. In this way, we can, if we print out sec, we can use main or set file access control list. So it gives you some information and instructions how to use it. If we go to the bottom, we have some examples. So here, I want the first example, granting an additional user to read access. So if we want to, let's say here, we know the file 1 is created by the user 1. And here this -m, it means to modify the access right for this file. So suppose I want to have user, that's the user 3, to have read file, maybe all of them, to file1.txt. Then let's check the access control list of this file 1. You see here we have extra information, like this another user, user 3, has been given more access right. And this can be done for the group users as well. Like here, the third one, removing a named group entity from a file's access control list, or maybe set a group list. So if we set control list, and again m, and we use a group, that's user 2 to file 1, file. Let me user 4 to file 1.txt. Give some access right. So here I add another user 4 as a group user, which gives user 4 read and execute permission to file 1. When it takes effect, let's check this file 1 text. Get file access control list. So you see here, there's some difference. The user 4 is given some permission right to this file as a group user. So this is different from this change mode, change ownership, and change access mode and group. Here we can add more users to each category of for a certain file. You can add more users as a user to the file. You can add more users to the group as a group user to the file. So that's more advanced and more convenient for, and I would say closer to the real world system. You want to have files can be assigned, and it can be assigned to different users with different permission rights. And as the creator of this file, you want to be able to control these permissions. And if for some users job has been finished, then you can revoke this permission right. So it's important to play with this some examples with the set file access control list, this command, and it will have a better understanding how to play with them.